Imagine this. You're sitting in a quiet room, but all you hear is a relentless ringing in your ears. You may feel trapped, convinced that your tinnitus is untreatable and that you're on a lonely journey. But what if I told you that the most powerful weapon against tinnitus lies not in expensive devices, but within your own mind? The misconception that tinnitus is a permanent condition robs people of their hope. Neuroscience shows us that our brains can adapt thanks to a process called neuroplasticity. Studies indicate that mindful breathing exercises can significantly reduce the perception of tinnitus. One simple yet effective method is the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. This method calms your nervous system and diminishes stress, a major contributor to the intensity of tinnitus. Additionally, incorporating sound therapy like white or pink noise can create a soothing background that helps your brain tune out those phantom sounds. Start by spending 20 minutes a day practicing either technique and watch how your perception shifts over time. Remember, consistency is key. You're not alone in this, and I understand how isolating it can feel. Now here's the deal. I know knowing all this is one thing, but managing tinnitus can still feel totally overwhelming. I was there too, trying everything I could find. Then I discovered this one supplement that actually made a difference for me, and I've got to say it's been a game changer. I'm telling you, don't sleep on it. Check out my homepage and see for yourself. You might just find the relief you've been searching for.